Basic English conversation for kids.
Hello, I'm your friend, Bobo. I'll help you practice English conversation. Please follow my directions. Thank you! What is this? What is that? Words. After you listen to each word, say the word. Dog. Cat. Cow. Duck. Conversation. What is this?
This is a dog.
What is this?
This is a cat.
What is that?
That is a cow.
What is that?
That is a duck.
Practice. Listen to each sentence and repeat. Your conversation will get better. What is this?
This is a dog.
What is this?
This is a cat.
What is that?
That is a cow.
What is that?
That is a duck.
Word quiz. Cow. Cat. Duck. Dog. Conversation quiz. What did Max say? What is this? How are you?
a dog.
What did Lily say? What is this?
This is a cat. That is a cat.
What did Max say? What is this? What is that?
That is a cow.
You did it. You were superstar.
Yay!
Goodbye.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us for more fun learning adventures. See you next time.